Hi, it's been over 8 years since I last posted a video, even longer since I was posting in any regular way. Since then, I've switched from teaching in a high school physics classroom to teaching in a law school classroom. So a lot has changed for me. Probably isn't surprising given that my mix of videos before was a mix of science and politics. So I've moved from um, nature's laws to the laws of people. That being said, I just want to give a heads up to any subscribers to let you know that I'm going to start doing more videos again. Those videos, however, are going to be focused now on law and technology, and that's because that's the topic of my teaching right now at Suffolk Law School. So this is just a heads up. So you're like, wait a second, I've been following this person, now there's a new video, and what the heck is happening? Why are these videos all different? Keep following if you like. I think if you like my old stuff, you'll like my new stuff. But if it's not your game, then unsubscribe. Up to you. Just wanted to give you a heads up and say hi. Coming back. All right. I just felt like I needed to do this video to people out there. Hi.